So what are titles and lower thirds? Titles are basically what you see in like movies, and you have all these kind of like fanciful titles. Let me turn this off. Okay, so you can see they got all these kind of animated titles. These are presets where you can find inside the DaVinci Resolve itself. So these are all titles. What lower thirds are located at the bottom of the screen, like you see these corporate corners, is located on the bottom third, hence the name lower third of the video. Yeah. So these are usually used for like people's names, designations, as well as like if you want to highlight the name of a location, etc. Okay, Roger is drawing 9 boxes. Okay. So, okay. So let me just pull up another few more of the lower third for you guys to see. So these are some that I've felt could be suitable for our corporate videos. So you can see you can enter a name and designation, and then this is like slide title. So let me just do this for Mr. Iswaran. So you can just drag it over here, and then we can change the slide in title, the text of this slide in title into Mr. S Iswaran. Yeah. So when you play it back, yeah, so the text animates into the shot. And this is just an overlay, so it doesn't affect the video below it. Yeah, so on the right side, you can see all the parameters that you can change, your font, the text, the centering, etc. Every preset has its own parameter. So if you are interested, you can just drag them into the timeline and see it for yourself. Clicking on video, you'll be able to change the position, the scaling angle, etc. Okay, so are there any questions so far for titles, lower thirds, and subtitles? Any more questions? Oh yeah, one thing that I need to share with you guys is if you go onto YouTube, hold on, let me change the sharing. Okay, so if you go onto YouTube, you can find all these kind of videos. One that I found was quite useful and it's free. It's this from John's Films. It's 23 lower thirds for DaVinci Resolve, drag and drop. So you can just go ahead and follow the instructions on this video to download your free 20 lower thirds. But be sure to, if you are doing this for other places, be sure to make sure that you don't need to enter your credit card info and all that kind of stuff, because there's usually scams of this kind as well. So be careful about this.